Please go. Go down. Go down. Mama. Ambulance.
Police car.
Police car.
Yes, it wasn't an ambulance. It was a police car.
I know.
You know?
Right there. Right there.
What's right there?
Ambulance.
An ambulance?
Ambulance.
Yeah?
Ambulance.
I think it was a police car. Maybe an ambulance will come by. We'll see. There's always lots going on.
Go down.
You want to go down? When Daddy comes home, you'll go down. You're going to go out with Daddy. It's a beautiful day. Lovely day, Xander.
Ambulance. Ambulance. Ambulance.
And is that a red truck over there? What's that bright car there? It looks like a red truck, a pickup truck. You see that, Xander? That's a red pickup truck there. Red pickup truck. It's not moving, it's parked. Oh, what was that? That sounds like another police car. That's not Daddy. That's a guy with white hair, but it's not Daddy.
Police car.
Police car? Polizeiauto. Say Polizeiauto auf Deutsch.
Police auto. Go down.
What else is going on? Huh?
Three.
Lots of cars, viele Autos und Menschen. Truck,
No.
Lastwagen. Oh, what's that, Sam?
Police.
Yellow bus, bicycle. Oh my goodness, so many things. So viele Sachen. Yes, we want to see Daddy. Where's Daddy? Daddy's out in the car with Nana. They'll come home soon, and then Xander will go in the car
Go
too.
down. Go down.
Who wants to go? You want to come down?
Come down. Come down.
Are you done?
Come down.
Is Xander done at the window? Are you done at the window, baby?
Oh, the window.
Are you done at the window?
Down.
Yes. Are you?
Window.
Yes? Yes?
No.
No, you're not done.
Not done.
Okay. Du bist nicht fertig.
Nichts. Fertig. Nichts.
Nicht fertig mit dem Fenster. Xander ist nicht fertig.
Nichts.
Ah?
Nichts. Yellow bus.
That's not a yellow bus. What bus is that?
White bus.
White bus. That's right. What's that?
Yellow taxi.
Yeah!
Go down.
Say bye-bye, Buzz.
Bye bye bye.
Wow. Bless you. It's a little chilly wind, but it's not so cold. It's a lovely day. That's why you have long sleeves.
Mommy.
I don't want you to
Cool
get sick.
down.
All right. Okay. Bye-bye.